This is Renukonda working lesson group. Today discuss about constraint satisfaction. Constraint satisfaction. Algorithm for constraint satisfaction. Very important. Propagate available constraints. Propagate available constraints to assign to them unique solution. Unique. Then do until an inconsistency is detected or until open is open, strengthen as much as possible the set of constraints that apply to that was assigned the last okay. If this set is different from the set that was assigned the last time OB was examined, or if this is the first time OB has been examined, then add to open all The union of the constraints discovered above defines a solution, then create and repeat the solution. Okay. Select an object whose value is not yet determined and select a way of strengthening the constraints on that object. Okay. This is the algorithm for constraint satisfaction. What is the algorithm for constraint satisfaction? Propagate available constraints to this first set open to the set of all objects to them in a complete solution. Then do empty. Select an object OB from open. Strengthen it of constraints that apply to object OB that was assigned the last time object OB was examined, or if this is the first time object has been OB has been examined, then add to open all objects that share any constraint with object OB. Remove object OB from open. Okay. The unique constraints discovered above then quit and repeat the solution. If the union of the constraints discovered above defines a contradiction, then return fail. If neither of the above occurs, then it is necessary to make a guess and in order to proceed to this loop until a solution is found. Select an object whose value is not in the constraints on the object. Recursively involve constraint satisfaction with the current augmented by the strengthening constraint just selected. Just selected. Here for a consider example, send more money. Here example, constraint satisfaction example, send plus more equal to money. Send plus more equal to money. Send plus more equal to money. Here, let us consider m equal to 1. For example, m equal to 1. M equal to 1. Because by adding any to single digit number, okay? Here, result single digit number. At maximum, we get 1 as carry. Maximum we get 1 as carry. That means m equal to 1. So carry equal to 1. Okay. M equal to 1. So carry equal to 1. Two single digits. So we consider carry one. Here consider first carry 1, carry 2, carry 3, and final carry 4 equal to 1 here. Okay. Clear? Send more money. Here m equal to 1. M equal to 1. That means carry equal to 1. Here s equal to 8 or 9. 8 or 9. Assume that s equal to 8 or 9. 8 or 9. Assume that s equal to 8 or 9. S equal to 8 or 9. Here assume 9. S equal to 9. For example, s equal to 9. Here, okay. Send more money. Here, s equal to 8 or 9. Here, sum of s plus m equal to 0 or sum plus m plus c3 equal to 0. Send s m c3. Then c3 equal to 0. Assume that s equal to 8 or 9 plus m plus c3 equal to 0. S plus m plus c3 equal to 0. If s equal to 9, we assume s equal to 9. S plus m equal to 1, 0 with no carry. If s equal to 8, s plus m plus c3 equal to 1, 0 with carry. So we get O value as 0. O value 0. Then m equal to 1, s equal to 9, m equal to 1, and O equal to 0. Money O equal to 0. O equal to 0. Then O equal to 0. Clear? If s equal to 9, s plus m equal to 1. So 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 8 plus 1 plus 9. So yeah. E plus O equal to n. Then E equal to n. Here E plus O equal to n. Here O equal to 0. Then E equal to n. Why? O equal to 0. So E plus E equal to n.
but it is not possible because no two variables should have same value. So carry C2 E plus O plus C2 equal to N. Then E plus 0 plus O plus 1 equal to 1, which gives E plus 1 equal to N. O equal to 0. So E plus 1 equal to 1. E plus N equal to 1. Here estimate E value from the remaining possible numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so. So from our estimation, the E and N value satisfies at equal to 5. Then N equal to 6. Equal to 5. So E money E plus 1 E plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1 6. So N equal to 6, E plus 1 equal to E plus 1 equal to N. So equal to 5. Therefore M equal to 1, S equal to 9, M equal to 1, S equal to 9, Y equal to 0, E equal to 5, N equal to 6. N 6, E 5, O 0. Okay. So here next N plus N plus send money. Here S equal to 9, M equal to 1, money O equal to 0, M equal to 1, M equal money N equal to 6, then N equal to R equal to so here N plus R plus C1, N plus R plus C1 equal to E equal to here E equal to 5, equal to 5, then N plus R plus C1 equal to 5. Here the E value is satisfied by taking R equal to 8. E equal to R equal to 8, then 8 plus 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15. Therefore, M equal to 1, S equal to 9, O equal to 0, F equal to 5, N equal to 6, and R equal to 8. Okay. E equal to 5, N equal to R, and 6 and R equal to 8. Clear? Here D plus E equal to Y. Here D plus E equal to Y. Here E equal to already E equal to 5. Then D plus C equal to Y. It has to satisfy C1 equal to 1. So that D equal to 7. Then D plus C equal to Y. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So Y equal to 2. Carry 1. 12. Carry 1. Y equal to 2. This is the solution. Here final values are M equal to 1, S equal to 9, O equal to 0, E equal to 5, N equal to 6, R equal to 8, D equal to 7, and Y equal to 2. Okay. By substituting all the above values, send more money. 95671085. Total 10652. This is the solution.
The constraint satisfaction example, send plus more equal to
Send more. Send more money. Okay. This is the constraint satisfaction. Okay. What is the constraint satisfaction algorithm? Constraint. See the algorithm. Propagate. Available constraints. To do this,
first set open to the set of all objects that must have values assigned to them in a complete solution. Okay. Or until open is empty. Open. Strengthening come from the okay.
This is the algorithm for constant substitution. Very important topic, constant substitution algorithm. Okay. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. Here, step 1. Do the
First set open to the set up all objects that must have values assigned to them in a complete solution. Then do until an inconsistency is detected or until strengthen as much as object to be. OB has been examined. Then I have to open all objects that share. Select an object of strengthening the constraints on satisfaction with the current set of example, constraint satisfaction example, constraint very important. This is done because by adding any one as carry.
1 as carry. So m equal to 1. Assume that s equal to 8 or 9, s plus m equal to 0, or s plus m plus carry 3 equal to 0. For example, consider, okay, if s equal to 9, s plus m equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10 with no carry. If s equal to 8, s plus m plus c3, that is equal to 8 plus 1 equal to 10 with the carry. So we get O value at 0. Here first case, if s equal to 9 with no carry, that means carry equal to 0, s plus m plus carry equal to 9 plus 1 plus 0 equal to 10. Here second case, if S equal to 8, then with carry C3, S plus M plus C3 equal to 10. 8 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 10 with carry. Okay. So we get O value is equal to O value at 0. Therefore, M equal to 1, S equal to 9, and O equal to 0. Clear? So here E plus O equal to N. That means E plus 0 equal to N. Then E equal to N. It is not possible because no two variables should have same value. So same value. So E plus O plus it equal to N. Here O equal to 0. E plus 0 plus carry 1 equal to N, which gives E plus 1 equal to N, then E equal to N minus 1. Here estimate E value from the remaining positive E and N values. So E plus 1 equal to, that is N equal to 6. Okay. So therefore M equal to 1, S equal to. So therefore M equal to 1, S equal to 9, Y equal to 0, E equal to 5, and N equal to 6. N equal to E plus 1. So N equal to 6. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. This is the. So here N plus R plus C1 equal to E. We already know that E equal to 5. So the E value is satisfied by taking R equal to 8. E value is satisfied by taking R equal to 8. Okay. 6 plus 8 plus 1 equal to 15. Therefore, M equal to 1, S equal to 9, Y equal to 0, E equal to 5, N equal to 6, and R equal to 8. Here, this example, D plus E equal to Y, it has to satisfy C1 equal to 1, so that D equal to 7. Then 7 plus 5 equal to 12, so Y equal to 2. The final values are, here the final values are M equal to 1, S equal to 9, Y equal to 0, E equal to 5, N equal to 6, R equal to 8, D equal to 7, and Y equal to 2. By substituting all the above values, send plus more equal to money. 9,567 plus 1,085, that equal to 10,652 money. M equal to 1, Y equal to 0, N equal to 6, E equal to 5, Y equal to 2. Okay. Money. Send more money. Very, very important. Very, 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 very most important topic. Send plus more equal to money. Send plus more equal to money. Okay, this is the example of constraint satisfaction. Constraint satisfaction example, send plus more equal to money. Okay. Okay, clear? Clear? For example, send more, send plus more equal to money. This is the algorithm for constant satisfaction. Very most important topic. Constant satisfaction.
Example, send more money. Okay, this is constant satisfaction. Okay, send more money. Okay, topic sir, second year topic sir. First part one, second year part one. State space character problem.
Technique. Iterative deepening search, A-star algorithm, constant satisfaction. Okay, thank you. Thank you to one and all.